Here we are at the three-step Banners.ie homepage. As you will notice, our banners are only currently available for delivery in Ireland. We hope to extend this to other parts of Europe, but at present we only do delivery within Ireland. You will also notice there that we have our buttons to go to our pre-designed banners, which are in the form of categories, and our banner designer, which starts from a clear canvas. Down the right hand side there are some basic instructions on how to design the banner, and there we see a matrix of banner sizes, basic price, the VAT that will be added, and then the total price, which includes the basic, the VAT, and the €10 shipping cost. Now that shipping cost covers up to 30 kilograms in weight. Now all of these banners from the preset sizes fall within that 30 kilogram weight limit. Banners will be dispatched 4 working days after the order is received by three-step Banners.ie. The delivery service is a next day delivery service, so once your banner has been received by us, you should receive it within 5 working days. So let's go to our banner designer. It opens up, and here we have a couple of drop down menus. The first one is the material that we will use. We have either an economy banner, which will be used primarily for indoor use but can be used for short-term outdoor use, and we have a premium banner which is for outdoor use. Generally it's quite heavyweight, quite robust, and will stand up to the elements quite well. This time we'll select just the economy banner, and our presets now have a drop down as well. This time we will select a 4 foot by 8 foot banner, so that's 1.2 meters by 2.4 meters. The basic price is highlighted here, and the VAT, currently 23%, will be added to that, and the €10 shipping cost. So let's start our banner designer. What do we see here? On the left hand side we've got a number of functions, so we can copy, bring things forward, send them further back. We can rotate them. If we have something selected, we can actually then delete it, or we can clear our canvas altogether by deleting all. And we have then a number of alignment functions to be able to centralize items and text and things like that. On the right hand side we've got our backgrounds. We've got our photo realistic images in various categories: drink, food, fruit, grocery, etc. We've then got our text, so we can enter our text here. We can select from a wide variety of fonts the font that we want. We can select our color from our color picker, and if we not wanted to, we can add a border to it, again using the color picker to create a contrast. We can select clip art. Again, this is from various categories, so there are animals, there's autumn, car auto repairs, cartoons, children, you name it. It's categorized there, and there are a number of clip art images that we can select. And then finally we have the shapes, and we can add these shapes to our banner and fill them with whatever color, again using the color picker. So let's go back and create our banner. We'll select a background here, just some stars with a dark red to a light red back to a dark red. So that's the basic canvas, if you like, for our banner. Let's add some text. Now we're talking about a basic banner here, so let's use the word basic banner. And let's choose a font. What kind of font will we use? Mizuki's nice, it's quite different. And we'll use a blue in color, and we'll add that text. Now you see our text has been added to our banner. If we click on it, we can then move it around with 4 arrows as we move our cursor over it. If we move our cursor to the extremities of it, we can stretch it out larger proportionately. So we can do that. And we can also then, as you saw, the curved arrow we can use to tilt our text over. Let's make it a bit bigger. Right, so there we got basic banner, but it doesn't stand out too well. So what can we do? Well, let's copy it and create another version of it. And this time we want to make it a very vibrant color. Let's use this lime green. But it's at the back. So what do? Well, let's bring it forward. So we can bring it to the front. There we go. That stands off a little bit better, doesn't it? But let's add a border to that. Let's say a white border. And we'll put a weight there of 20. Tab out of that. And there you go. There you have it. We've got our lime green lettering with a white border. And if we place it there, we now have a drop shadow of blue for our text. So that makes it stand off that little bit better. What about some clip art? Well, let's go to a category here. What should we do? Newspaper and news. What have we got here? Well, we've got a reporter here that has got his notepad and pencil. Let's put him in the corner there and make him a bit big. Okay, he's obscuring our text now. What can we do? Well, let's send him to the back. He's gone behind the green lettering. Send him back one more time. He's gone behind the blue lettering. So there we have it, our banner. Now, if we're happy with that and we want to get that produced, all we do is we click Add to Cart, and now we see our shopping cart displayed. Anything that we've added to our cart for this particular transaction will be added into here. We have a banner of 8 foot by 4 foot, which is 1.2 meters by 2.4 meters. And once we're happy with that, we can go to the checkout. We can go and redesign it if we wish, or we can go ahead and purchase. So we put our name, our email address, and our phone number. So that's 3-Step Banners, TD Graphics, can give you a call if there's a question or a query related to your banner design. And then your shipping address is added. So your details need to be put in there so that our couriers can deliver your banner to your door. As you see here, the total weight is highlighted. And once you press continue, it will take you to PayPal. You will then enter in your PayPal details so that payment can be made, and once we receive confirmation that your payment has been made, your design is sent to us along with that confirmation, and we then produce it for you. Now you can add hems and grommets, so if you want it outside, it's best to have it hemmed, which is heat welded, to give it greater rigidity and strength. And grommets can be added as well so that it can be cable tied to a fence or some other structure. So those can be added to your design, and obviously the cost will be added to you prior to payment. So once you've made the payment, and as I say, we've received the confirmation, then we will send your banner within 4 working days. You should receive it on the 5th working day. So if you have any questions, by all means drop us an email using the contact details on our web page. But that just gives you a brief overview of how to use our designer, and happy designing. Thank you very much for watching.